Hi. So last time I introduced the goal for what this project is going to be, and at the time it wasn't quite working, but now it is. Um, this is Crystalarium. The goal is to make a system that is capable of simulating a number of systems where you can mess around and with digital logic and build like logic gates and maybe computers and stuff at some point if you go big enough. Um, and now it is working. So this is milestone 5. Um, we have two rule sets to play with. We have this like fancy menu for switching rule sets. Um, the default rule set is Crystalarium. Um, there's a number of different things you can place down. These are stoppers. They don't do anything. They stop laser beams, as you've seen in milestone 4, which things shoot laser beams. Those stop it. This is an emitter. If we let a simulation tick past, it emits a beam. We can put a stopper down. It stops it. We can also put a prism down, and it splits the beam. Um, we also have mirrors, which can reflect beams. I'll just leave the thing running. I can do it both ways. And we have channels, which they act as a buffer, so they like wait one tick and they pass the signal through, but they only work on one side. And then we have the main thing in this rule set, in this like system that Crystalarium's engine can run. We have the liminal gate. Um, so it's like through line blocks signals normally. Um, but if exactly one of its sides has a signal, it'll let them pass through. Um, but if both of them, it won't. So with this, you can make all sorts of stuff. One of the simpler things might be a NOT gate. Um, my cat is meowing. Um, so if both sides of a luminal gate are signaled, it won't emit. And this is set up to always emit. But if we activate its side, it stops emitting. So this works like a NOT gate. Um, and you can make all sorts of stuff with this. And you can expand the grid and make even bigger things if you want. It's a little basic now. It's probably not running super efficiently, but it works. And then we have another rule set to demonstrate that Crystalarium can support multiple rule sets. This one's minimal. So it has a stopper, and it's called a splitter in this one, but it behaves exactly like a prism, looks like a prism. These are the same, but the only other agent is a NOT gate, um, and it emits unless there's another signal on it. It doesn't have to be; it can be any side. Um, and you can, make other things with this, like um, this would be an AND gate. Um, no, it wouldn't be because it's not doing something has gone wrong. So it's not perfect. um, huh. Yeah, so there are some issues to iron out. If we rotate this or rotate that or do that, there we go. So there are issues to iron out, as I just discovered right then and didn't know until right then. Um, uh, huh. Well, this is new. But the basic systems are in place. I do need to iron out the code. Because clearly something is broke. That's incredibly broken. Okay, well, that's a bad way to learn about a bug, isn't it? Um, well, the goal for the next milestone is to kind of rewrite all of the simulation code a little bit. Not rewrite it, but Significantly refactor it. Do some heavy lifting over there and clean stuff up more generally. Add a few small features. Um, because it's clear, while this is mostly working, it is clear that it's only mostly working. Um, but it is working. You can build stuff. The main Crystalarium rule set, I think, is more stable, because I've been playing around with that one quite a bit. But that is funky. Um, yeah, anyways, thanks for your time. Hopefully, this will be even better later. Yeah.